Today is day 23 of Autism Awareness Month and Financial Literacy Month. Anything that affects the general population affects those of us who are caregivers or parents to those with autism or special needs or disabilities 10 times more so. What I wanted to touch on today is something that I've discussed in a previous post before. Every now and then, just like most of you, I get notices from AAA regarding AAA life insurance. I think the services that they provide for roadside assistance as well as other discounts is amazing. I have questions about the limitations for the life insurance product that they offer. They market it so it's very attractive, and then the way that it looks on the form is also very confusing. But if you look at it, the one thing that is transparent, and I've actually called them to make sure of it before I made my last post, because this is about just informing you so that choices are made from a well-educated standpoint. This is not about bashing anyone. But the fact of the matter is, AAA's life insurance policies, they're generally term policies, number one. That's just a fact. But they are policies that during the term increase in premium. So let's say it's a 30-year term. You're paying a set price at the age that you are now. Within 3 to 4 years, and I'm just using that as an example, I don't know the exact time frame, but within a certain amount of years, those premiums will go up, and they continue to go up. By the end of that term, you're paying more than you did initially. So rather than tell you what you should do, you might want to ask yourself what you think you should do if you consider the following. If you get a life insurance policy that is your own, not through an employer, not through someone like AAA, but that is your own, that you control, and you know that the premium is set at a certain amount and will not go up for the life of the policy, whether it's term or permanent, would that not be of more value to you? And when I mentioned the employer, the situation with an employer is that 9 times out of 10, those policies are not portable. In other words, the policy ends when your employment ends, regardless of when or how. Those are just some things to think about. Feel free to comment help in the comment section if there's something you want to talk about with regard to this information that I just shared. And remember, you're not alone. You're one of us. And if you're watching this, I love you.